Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a hyperlink in Jotform. If you've ever struggled with directing users to external resources right from your Jotform, you're in the right place. Adding hyperlinks can greatly enhance your forms by offering users easy access to additional information, resources, or related websites. So, let's dive into the steps and make your forms even more interactive and useful. Alright, let's get started. First things first, log into your Jotform account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage, where you will see a list of all your forms. Look through these and find the specific form where you want to add your hyperlink. Once you've identified it, hover your mouse over that form, and you'll see an option to edit it. Click on Edit Form to open up the Form Builder interface. Now, to insert a hyperlink, the key step is to add a paragraph element. Why a paragraph element, you might ask? Well, it's essential to use this specific element because other fields like short text, long text, or headers don't support hyperlinks. On the left side of your screen, there's an Add Element button. Go ahead and click on that. As you scroll through the available elements, keep an eye out for the paragraph section. Once you spot it, just drag and drop it into the form area where you want your hyperlink to appear. Next, click inside the paragraph field to start editing. This is where you type the text you want users to see. It could be a sentence, a call to action, or even a simple label. For example, you might write, "Click here for more details," or "Visit our website." If you want the entire text to become a hyperlink, highlight all of it. Otherwise, you can just highlight the specific word or phrase you want to link. Now look at the toolbar that appears above the paragraph box. Find the chain link icon. This is the hyperlink tool. Click on it, and a small pop-up will appear. This is where you paste the URL you want the hyperlink to direct to. You also have the option to decide whether the link should open in a new tab or the same window, which is a handy feature depending on how you want users to interact with your form. After pasting the URL, click OK. If Jotform prompts you to add a proper prefix like http:/https, just confirm and continue. Once you've added the link, it will show up in the paragraph box as clickable text. To ensure everything works as expected, you'll want to preview the result. Head over to the Publish tab, copy your form's link, and open it in a new browser tab. Scroll down to the paragraph element you added. You'll see that the hyperlink appears just as you set it up. When you click on it, it should smoothly redirect the user to the destination URL you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully added a hyperlink to a Jotform. This guide helped you easily master how to add a hyperlink in Jotform. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.